Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning to afternoon, everyone.
Morning.
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
How are you today?
Hi. We are fine, ma'am.
Nice.
How about you?
Okay, I'm
How
good.
about
Thank you.
you, ma'am?
I'm good, thank you. Okay, so guys, so this is our first meeting. Is everybody here?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Everybody is-
Good, good. So there is no one absent or sick today. Yes. Okay. Before we having this class, I want someone to lead us. Why, please, Teguh,
Baik.
think our materials today.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, guys.
Yes.
Before we study, let's pray together. Pray, start. And thank you.
Thank you, Teguh. Nice. So, guys, you will have another chance when I ask you to lead us to play. Okay. So, and then today, because this is our first meeting, I'm going to ask some questions to you. What's your name? I asked to the boy with blue clothes.
My name is
Yes, you.
Hari, ma'am. My name is Hari.
Okay, nice. And then, where do you live, Hari?
I live in Parenggan.
Okay, so far, right? From here. And then, what's your hobby?
My hobby is watching movie and play video games.
Okay.
And also,
Thank you. And then I'm going to move to another students. I'm going to ask the girl that wear a headset or earphone. Yes, you?
Mary.
headset
Yes,
or
yes,
earphones.
yes, that girl. Mary, right? Mary. Okay, Mary. Okay, Mary. My question is, how old are you, Mary? How old are you, Mary?
16 years old, ma'am.
16. Nice. So young. Okay.
Oh,
And then, can you? What's your phone number? Can you mention it to us?
05 0858 345 1699.
Okay, nice. Thank you. Maybe anybody's here write down about Mary's phone number. Okay, guys. So because this is our first meeting in this class, and then I'm going to tell you about what's our goals in this meeting. Okay. So let's see the share screens. I'm going to share you. Okay. Can you see that? Can you see the PowerPoint? The slide of PowerPoint?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
yes,
So I'm going to tell you about our goal in this meeting today. So in this meeting, you are going to have two activity. The first one is you are going to discuss with your group and analyze about text. What is the text? Next, we are going to talk about that. And then the second one is you are going to discuss and make a text about introducing oneself, because we are going to talk about introducing. Okay. Okay, let's back to our materials, because already Hari and Mary already talked about his name and also his informations about him and herself. So today we are going to talk about our material is about introducing oneself. What is introducing oneself, guys? Ada yang tahu? Anyone? Introducing oneself?
kenalan Bu, ya.
Memperkenalkan
Teman.
diri.
Yes,
Diri sendiri.
correct. So today we are going to talk about introducing oneself. Okay. And then after this, I'm going to give you a video. Okay, it's about introducing oneself, and then I want you to watch the video and analyze the video. Okay, so please take a look to the video and then find some information about the video. Like, okay, wait a second.
Okay, process.
Okay, can you hear the video?
Introducing others.
Yes, ma'am.
Normal
Yes.
situation.
Okay, please pay attention.
Dialogue 1.
Mr. Peterson, let me introduce you to our new staff. His name is Thomas.
Nice to meet you, Thomas. Nice to meet you too, Mr. Peterson. I hope you'll be enjoyed here. I hope so. Thank you very much, sir. Dialogue 1.
Mr. Peterson, let me introduce you to our new staff. His name is Thomas.
Nice to meet you, Thomas. Nice to meet you too, Mr. Peterson. I hope you'll be enjoyed here. I hope so. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm going to like. Okay, have you watched the video, guys? Okay.
Yes, we have.
Yes.
Okay, so because I asked you first to watch and analyze the video about the content of the video. Now my question is, and then I'm going to show or point one of you to answer my question. Okay, Teguh, can you answer me what are they talking about? Introducing, okay. Thank you. Next, Epsus. What are their names? Do you remember that?
The name I remember is Thomas.
Okay, nice, Thomas. Like, and then Harry, can you complete the questions? What their names?
I can answer them. I know their name.
Okay. Who can answer?
May I?
Me.
Me. Okay. Who? Mia. Okay.
Okay, Tom and Mr. Peterson.
Okay, Thomas and Mr. Peterson. Thank you, Mia. Nice.
Thank
Okay,
you,
and
ma'am.
then is there any information that they talk about? Ada informasi lain? Beside name?
New stuff.
What is new stuff
stuff?
about? Kalau new stuff itu talking about what? Kalau new stuff itu berarti ngomongin apa?
Pegawai baru, Bu.
Job.
Oke, job, occupation, right? Tentang occupation atau job. Nah, jadi tadi ada example of the video talking about name and then also about occupation. Jadi introducing today we are going to talk about that. Jadi nanti kalian akan analyze about that, oke? Okay? Kalian akan bahas tentang itu, tentang name, tentang age and everything, okay? About you, about yourself, okay? And then now I'm going to divide you to be some groups, okay? The first group is group 1, Chrissy. Okay, and then Chrissy, where is Chrissy? And then Mary and Mia to be first group. And then second group is Yuli, Epsus, and Hari. Okay? So you are the second group. And then last one is Teguh, Mia. Sorry, Mia sudah ya. Berarti Lydia. Siapa yang belum dapat group? Okay, anyone?
Me.
Okay, Fitri, sorry, I forget you. Sorry. Oh, okay, Fitri, group 3 ya.
Yap. With Teguh and Lydia.
Okay, guys. So, tadi Mem sudah bagikan. I give you the student worksheet atau LKPD. Nah, LKPD-nya akan tampilan LKPD-nya seperti ini. Coba please pay attention to with your group. Silakan discuss about the LKPD. Oke, silakan join to your groups. Duduknya dekatan saja and then discuss about your LKPD. It's about how to analyze the text. Oke. Jadi kalian nanti akan menganalisis, oke? Menganalisis teksnya.
Sudah, Mem.
Nah,
Mem.
jadi LKPD-nya akan tampil seperti ini. The student worksheet-nya, and then you will analyze with your friends. Kalau di sini pairs karena tadi kalian itu ganjil, jadi Mem kelompokkan jadi biar semua dapat, oke? Nah, di sini you are going to analyze about the text. It's text about introducing concept. Then di sini ada table of analysisnya. So here we go. So with your group, I want you to analyze the social functions and then the text structures and also the language features about the text. Okay? Any questions?
Gak ada.
Really?
No,
Really?
Mem.
No? Okay, guys.
Okay.
Please, yes, please, yes, use your time. I give you time to analyze the text. Okay. After this, after you analyze the text, one of you with your group, one of you in your group will present your results. Okay. So you just tell me about which one is the social function, which one is the text structures, which one the opening, content, closing, and then which one the language features. Okay? Finish ya?
Finish, Mem.
Another group yang lain yang mau maju silakan, yang sudah finish. Nanti salah satu saja ya, only member of your group, only one to present the result of the table of analysis.
Can we back to the text?
Okay, thank you. Okay,
The
can you?
social function of descriptive text. Fungsi sosialnya, maaf ya Mem, saya pakai bahasa Indonesia aja.
Ya, it's okay, it's okay.
Ya, itu untuk mendeskripsikan, menggambarkan dari suatu seseorang, ya, dari seseorang atau sesuatu. Itu fungsi sosial dari deskriptif menurut saya. Gimana teman-teman kelompok yang mau menambahkan fungsi
nice.
sosialnya?
Terus
Iya.
yang lainnya sih?
Untuk
Yang social
pronoun,
ya, yang
untuk language feature-nya itu my name, penggunaan
apa? Kalau my name penggunaan apa?
kepemilikan, Mem.
Oh ya betul. Kepemilikan berarti dia masuk ke pronoun.
Ya.
Oke, nanti kita akan belajar itu ya. Yang penting kita dapat saja. Oke.
Mem, I
Next
live
siapa?
in Stockholm.
Present tense, Mem.
Mana lagi?
Present tense.
Present tense.
Present tense, Mem.
Mana?
My name is Thomas.
My name is using
Nice. My name is
to
Thomas.
be.
Itu juga sudah masuk present tense.
I
Oke.
live in Stockholm.
Oke, nice.
Opening, paragraph 1, closing, the last
Opening
paragraph,
paragraph 1, nice. Kontennya di mana?
first paragraph,
Paragraph.
Second paragraph.
second and
Third
third paragraph,
paragraph.
content.
Yes.
Nice.
Content.
Last one?
Closing.
Closing paragraph, Mem.
Oke. Mungkin another group ada yang have different opinions about this. Mungkin ada yang beda pendapat, boleh. Hari,
Mama yang
grupnya Teguh?
sosial.
Ya.
Sosial fungsinya
Sosial fungsinya apa?
Untuk memperkenalkan itu Language feature-nya penggunaan to be, present, is, am, dan will, kata will, group 1, usually.
Nice. Ini good job nih.
Used to.
Banyak sekali yang sudah dapat. And then?
I like setelah like itu subject like and hobbying, playing soccer, swimming, snorkeling, extra. I think that's all for me.
Okay, thank you. Nice. Nice for the groups. And then group 3, how about Teguh and Fred?
Okay, and the social function is to give information or introduce Thomas.
Okay, nice.
And
What
then
else?
for a generic structure, same with the first group, that on the first paragraph as opening and closing the last, and then the second and the third is content. And
Last
the
one is
language
content.
feature,
Okay.
huh? No, the second and the
Closing.
third.
Okay.
Yeah, and the last one is closing. And the language
Nice.
feature about present tense. My name is Thomas, and then I'm 16 years old.
Itu apa? Simple
study-
present.
simple present tense.
Okay.
And
Continue.
then using to be, ada S, am, kemudian I have a brother, and then
Handful of times.
yeah, thank you.
Okay,
And then
thank
the pronoun there are my. Kebanyakan
My.
ada my di sini. Ya,
Kata my ya, using of my.
using my as a pronoun.
Nice.
And apa lagi? Adjective. Rasanya
Adjective-nya
ada
apa?
several
Ya,
adjective ya. Seperti apa tadi? Like. Okay, and I have a little problem in using where question, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Nanti kita jelaskan ya.
Ya.
Nanti I will explain to you after this, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Fitri, Turjana, and friends. Nah, guys, seeing you present your result of your table of analysis, jadi all of you almost understand about this material actually. Kalian sudah bisa memecahkan teks ini, mencari social function-nya, mencari generic structures-nya, and also the language features. Nanti we are going to talk about this deeply, okay? And then dari 3 groups ini yang akan saya nobatkan. Dari ketiga grup ini yang paling banyak mendapat atau yang paling banyak mengisi table analisisnya dan banyak betulnya ialah grup Teguh and Friends. Okay, so after this, setelah tadi after you finish your research, now we are going to take a look to the materials about what you have already learned, what you have already finished. Okay, I'm going to give you the materials. Jadi kalau kalian tadi sudah menjawab dan hasilnya sudah bagus sekali, sudah banyak yang bisa menjawab. So saya mau share group lagi. Sudah terlihat? Pay attention to the slide PowerPoint ya. Okay, can you see this? Have you?
Yes.
Can you see the?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Okay, so today we are going to talk about introducing oneself. Tadi sudah grupnya sudah keren-keren, sudah very nice to finish the table of analysis, and then after this you will read about your introducing oneself. Jadi nanti kalian akan write down, menulis, about yourself, about your self information. Seperti contoh teks tadi, ada isinya seperti itu. Nah, apa yang harus ditulis itu nanti you have to see the slide PowerPoint in this materials, introducing oneself. Nah, tadi sudah dapat tuh social functionnya ya. Tadi ada yang bilang apa tadi, Fitri? What you get from your groups? To what? To get information?
Yeah, about someone. Thomas kalau tadi Bu.
Nice. Kalau si siapa tadi grupnya Krisi tadi apa social functionnya? Bu Yuli? Yuli?
Get to know each other.
How about you?
To get to know each other, ma'am.
Okay, to get to know each other. Okay, and then another tadi? Grupnya Krisi, Mary?
To describe others.
Oh, to describe other. Kalau to describe other itu nanti kita arahnya ke describing ya, tapi ya. But it's okay. Nah, kalau di sini actually the social function of introducing oneself itu sendiri adalah first one, you can it's to make a relationship with other people, to make a relationship, karena kalian kenalan otomatis akan jadi relationship with other people, and then to get to know other people better. Nah, itulah kenapa you ask about when we ask about someone's name, someone's age, someone's job, someone's everything, it's mean that to get to know other people better. Jadi dari kenalan ini akan tahu orang lebih baik atau lebih dalam seperti itu. And then the next one is can make a close communication. Nah, kalau kita know other people itu better, kita akan make a close communication with them. Kita akan dapat membuat komunikasi yang dekat seperti itu. Nah, why you have to learn about this material? Kenapa kalian harus belajar ini? Karena let's imagine that when you have another friends in other cities or other countries, and you can make a relation with them, so you have to introduce yourself first with them, Jadi itulah kenapa kita belajar introducing oneself, karena biar kalian nanti kalau punya teman beda negara, you can introduce yourself to them, Jadi itu. And then next one, about the generic structures, tadi sudah banyak sekali yang benar. Jadi ada 3 generic structures-nya. Jadi benar-benar mendapatkan informasi yang baik di Google maupun di sumber lainnya. Ada opening, ada content, and then ada closing. Nah, opening itu biasanya di bagian awal. Tadi ada nggak openingnya? Ada yang masih ingat? Apa tadi? Kata awalnya Nilai. Hello, good.
Hello.
Jadi di opening itu dia say hello, dia say hey, dia say good morning, good afternoon, itu juga sudah termasuk ke opening. Nice. Kalau di konten about self-nya atau di kontennya, di sini adalah konten itu dia talking atau information about self. Tadi ada masa ingat apa-apa saja information about the text? Apa aja selain name?
Banyak Bu.
Banyak, apa saja? Still remember?
Umur Bu Guru.
Oke, umur. Apalagi? What else?
Alamat.
Alamat.
Anggota keluarganya nih.
Yes.
Family.
Nice. Nah, nanti konten ini yang kalian akan buat juga. Jadi ada talking about you, about your age, about your family too, about your job if you are a worker, and everything, about yourself. And then last one is closing. Tadi ada closingnya nggak?
Ada.
Closing itu leave taking. Jadi ada kata semacam kata penutup. Ada nggak? Is there any leave taking atau closing di sana? Tadi banyak mengatakan di last sentence itu closing ya.
Iya, ma'am.
Ya, Apakah di situ ada closingnya betulan? Oke, tadi ada closing, nanti kita akan bahas itu beneran ada apa tidak di teks tadi. Biasanya actually closing ini kebanyakan digunakan kalau di spoken language-nya atau di speaking-nya. Kalau di written itu biasanya jarang. Oke, kecuali memang sebelum kita mau speaking, kita mau making question our introducing oneself, introducing self, biasanya kita akan buat gitu. Tapi yang tadi sepertinya memang tidak ada. Oke, jadi tadi last paragraph itu masih masuk konten. Oke, next. Nah, di sini ada opening. Jadi opening itu biasanya isinya adalah greeting. Nah, greeting, good morning, like I said before, hi, hello, and everything you can say. Okay, you can greet everyone before you introduce yourself with this one. And then di sini contents-nya sambil dicatat ya, Teguh.
Ya, Mem.
Nanti kalian akan buat yang isinya ada seperti ini. Jadi kontennya ada mentioning your name. Apalagi di situ, Teguh, number 2. Teguh, number 2.
Yan.
Occupation tuh apa, Teguh?
Apa tadi yo? Apa hari tadi?
Bantu hari apa hari?
Cakupan.
Occupation.
Oh, tempat kerja lingkungan.
Bagus. Pekerjaan, nice. Terus yang ketiga, talking about your place of origin. Apa itu artinya, Fitri?
Asal. Tempat asal.
Okay,
Kampung
nice.
halaman.
Kampung halaman. Oke, pokoknya yang ada origin tuh berarti yang original, asli gitu ya. And then nomor 4, talking about your address. Mary, apa itu Mary address?
Alamat. Alamat, Mem.
Oke. Yuli, hobi Yuli.
Hobi, kegemaran.
Kegemaran. What's your hobby, Yuli?
My hobby is traveling.
Wow, nice. Traveling.
Mary suka eating.
I love my adventure.
Yes.
Okay, and then next referring to your phone number. Phone number? Epsus, what is phone number?
Nomor handphone, Mom.
Oke, nomor HP. Pasti semua sudah hafal ya nomor HP-nya. Harus hafal ya. Oke, and then telling about your dream. Apa itu, Krisi? Don't be quiet, Krisi. Jangan melamun. Krisi,
Bu,
ini
agak ceket tadi, Bu. Gimana, Bu?
Krisi, kalau dream atau goal itu apa, Krisi?
Dream atau goal itu, Bu, impian atau tujuan kita, Bu.
Oke, impian. Tadi di teks yang sebelumnya yang dianalisis itu ada nggak dia nyebutin goalnya di situ in the text?
Lupa, Mem.
Oke, ada yang bisa jawab? Ada apa tidak?
Ada.
Ada, good. Apa? What is that?
He used to be MIT.
Oke, nice. Masih ingat ya berarti hari ini ingatannya sangat luar biasa. Oke. Oke, next. Nah, di sini ada
Satu, Mem. Hari ranking 1.
Oke. Yang lain juga harus ya. Harus bisa seperti hari ya. Karena Mem yakin semuanya ini pada pintar-pintar. Sudah smart semuanya. Oke. Di sini ada example-nya. Kalau kalian want to mention your name, bisa gunakan yang ini. Sambil diperhatikan dan dicatat ya, Hari dan Teguh. Oke, next. Nah, di sini kalau talking about address, kalian bisa pakai ini. Nanti kalau pas buat, saya minta itu boleh gunakan salah satu ya. Tinggal kalian replace saja, kalian ganti sesuai dengan about your identity or about your information self. Oke? Nah, di sini ada telling about your dream. Nah, di sini ada closing nih. Nah, ini yang kita bahas tadi. Kalau di teks tadi kira-kira ada nggak?
Nggak ada.
Nggak ada, correct. Tapi tadi ada yang bilang ada ya. But it's okay, namanya belajar. It's okay. Jadi biasanya memang closing ini kebanyakan langsung di spoken language, diomongin gitu. Jarang di written-nya. Tapi nanti saya mau kalian membuat dulu, menulis dulu. Jadi pas kalian maju, pas kalian present yourself, you're introducing oneself, kalian put or add the closing di sini, oke? Oke, di sini ada language features-nya. Tadi sudah banyak sekali yang benar, ada using of simple present, using to be and to have, using WH questions, using some adjectives and nouns, using pronoun and pronouns termasuk objective pronoun, possessive pronoun, and possessive adjective. Nah, tadi ada yang bertanya ya tentang using WH question ya. Fitri ya tadi. Nah,
Ya.
using WH question itu biasanya dia bukan bentuk pertanyaan di teksnya itu, Fitri. It's not about the questions. Oke? Jadi di teks itu nanti ada kata WH question itu apa aja? Kata-kata WH questions itu apa aja? What? When?
Where?
Ya.
When?
Where?
Why? Why?
How?
Who? How?
Hari, hanya hari.
Jadi 5W1H itu tadi 5W1H itu nanti nggak semuanya harus ada di dalam teks. Namanya juga language features, berarti nggak semua bisa dipakai. Cuman biasanya memang di dalam teks itu misalnya, tapi mereka bukan berbentuk questions. Misalnya, misalnya di teks itu, kalau di teks sebelumnya ada kalau nggak salah ada pakai when atau apa gitu, ya kan? Nah itu untuk menyatakan bukan pertanyaan tapi ketika, saat, atau bagaimana. Jadi dia hanya seperti conjunction, kata penghubung saja di sini. Oke?
Oh begitu, pantas tadi saya nyarinya yang ada question mark-nya, Mem.
Ya,
Makanya
bukan
nggak
it's not a
nemu.
question mark ya. Jadi itu hanya sebagai misalnya bagaimana saya bekerja dengan teman saya. Jadi itu bukan it's not about the question, oke? Ya?
Oke, Mem.
And then next one, ini nah, dia hanya menggunakan ini, dia bukan questions. Oke, kalau di wait a second. Using to be and to have tadi sudah dapat ya. Ada subjek, ada ini kelihatan nggak? Nah, example-nya I am a student tadi benar yang Fitri, and then kawan-kawan tadi juga kawan-kawannya sudah benar. And then di sini adjective. Adjective tadi apa? Hari? Adjective apa? Hari, what is adjective?
Sifat.
Nah, kata sifat di sini dari yang saya tunjuk, yang Mem tunjuk ini kata sifatnya yang mana, Hari? Yang. Oke, nice. Kalau sebelahnya yang mana?
Handsome.
Good. Oke, kalau Teguh, where is Teguh?
Ya, Mem.
Oke, kalau yang number 3 ini yang saya tunjuk, ini yang mana yang adjektifnya, Teguh?
Smart.
Oke, berarti semua sudah bisa nih, saya yakin. And then kalau untuk yang nouns itu apa? Mary.
Kata benda, Mem.
Kata benda. Di sini contohnya kata benda yang mana, Mary? Can you mention that?
Sister.
Kalau absus apa? Yang mana absus yang nouns? Which one?
Song.
Oke, good. Oke, berarti sudah bisa semua ya. And then using pronoun. Nah, ini pasti ada nih, ada subjektif, objektif, possessive, and possessive pronoun, possessive adjective. Tadi di teks itu yang mana yang ketemu? Kata mana yang paling apalagi?
My.
Objektifnya ketemu tadi.
My.
Ada ketemu. Me tadi.
Objektif me.
Possessive-nya ada nggak tadi?
Lupa, Mem, kalau yang posesif, Mem.
Oke.
Ingatnya yang my aja,
Oke. Nanti sambil dicek lagi ya di KPD-nya ada apa tidak ya. Oke, sambil dicek.
Ya, Mem.
Oke. Nah, di sini ada example-nya. Ini example dari written instruction. Oke. Di sini ada example-nya. Ada opening-nya hello, ada closing-nya di sini thank you harusnya ya. And then di sini ada konten. Nah, oke, ini adalah example of generic structures-nya. Oke. Opening-nya, kontennya dari I am Salman Punjabi ini dari name sampai ke bawah itu sudah masuk ke konten. Nah, closing ini harusnya di thank you tadi ya, atau di misalnya dia say thank you that's enough, atau that's all about me and everything. Nah, ini adalah example of generic structure, language features-nya. Oke, ada possessive pronoun, simple present. Jadi di setiap teks itu tidak semua language features itu ada. Tapi setidaknya at least 2 or 3 or more. Oke, the language features consist in the text. Okay. Any questions, guys, about the materials today? Any question?
So clear, man.
Really? Clear?
Clear.
Clear, ma'am. Yes,
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, nice. Kalau clear berarti kalau saya tanya, when I ask you, you can answer me, right?
Yes.
Oh ya?
Yes, ma'am.
Insya Allah, ma'am.
Okay. And then nanti in next meeting, I want you to make your self introduction. Okay, that consists of the content, the opening, the closing, and also use the complete at least 3 or 4 language features there. Okay, nanti on next meeting ya. Bisa ya?
Oke, ma'am.
Ya,
And then
ma'am.
on next meeting itu kalian akan maju, oke? Maju speaking in front of the class. Jadi speaking about what you have written about you, oke? Jadi nanti akan saya nilai speaking ini. Nah, oke, karena tadi sudah kita bahas materinya, kalian sudah menganalisis. Sekarang silakan cek proofnya masing-masing. Untuk WhatsApp-nya, saya sudah share di situ ada soal, hanya 5 saja. I give you 5 questions, okay, about introducing yourself. Silahkan dijawab. Finish, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Wah, ada yang benar semua nih, mantap. Yes, okay, guys. Because now time to we conclude the materials today. Kira-kira tadi kita bahas tentang apa?
Introduction.
Oke, introduction.
Introduction.
Apa aja yang diintroductionkan? Apa aja yang bisa diintroductionkan?
Nama.
Alamat.
Identity.
Alamat.
Oke, nice.
Umur. Hobi.
Okay, good. Nah, so guys, are you happy with the materials today? Are you happy?
Yes, Mom.
Happy, ma'am.
Really?
Happy.
Really?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, because time is
Good.
time's going to finish, so I think that's enough for today. Tadi kita sudah menyimpulkan bersama about the materials, and then next meeting kita masih akan bahas. We still talking about these materials, tapi nanti next meeting kalian akan speaking, oke? Kalian akan membuat introduction text about you, about yourself, and then nanti next meeting akan present. Okay? Any questions about that? Okay,
No.
because time is up. I think that's enough for today. But before we end the meeting today, I want Epsus lead us to pray.
Okay, Mom. Okay, friends, before we close the class, let's pray together. Pray, begin. Now,
Thank you, Epsus. Guys, time is up. Thank you. See you. Good morning to afternoon. Sorry, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. You're welcome.
I love you, ma'am.